Hi, welcome back to Enchantment with Angel. Today's enchanting recipe is a South Indian style simple and delicious broad bean prawn fry. Let's get started. Heat 2 spoons of oil in a pan and add 1 finely chopped onion. Fry till it's translucent. Add half a kg of broad beans cut into 1-inch size. Saute for a minute. Now it's time to add the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt according to taste. Mix well. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. When it's 3/4 cooked, it's time to add the prawns, which is cleaned and deveined. Add about half kg of prawns. Mix everything and cook for about 3 minutes. Do not overcook. Serve hot and enjoy. Do try out this delicious recipe and let me know. Until we meet again, bye. Happy cooking.